Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be making some carrot cucumber zing. This is a natural juice, no water will be added. I might add a little flavoring, which will be natural also. That is some honey. So I've gone ahead and I've washed and cut my carrots and my cucumber. Now I'm going to place them in my juicer and juice. You can do the cucumber first, the carrot first, or you can do them at the same time. Doesn't matter. The same juice, you will end up with the same flavor. So here I am juicing my carrot and cucumber to make that carrot cucumber zing. It is very healthy, very nutritious. It also helps to cleanse your system. We all know carrots are good for our eyes, filled with vitamin C, filled with antioxidants. This process is better than blending because most of the time when you blend, you have to add water. With this, the cucumber is from the melon fruit, so it has a lot of water. Even the carrot has a lot of water. So it's best to juice it instead of blend it. This way you get 100% juice. With all the disease and the viruses going around in the world, it's best to have naturally grown fruits and vegetables to make your juice and your drinks instead of your having artificial coloring and flavorings. Natural products are the best. Way more, much more healthier. Boost your immune system, guys. Now that I have finished blending the carrots and the cucumber, I am going to add the rest of my ingredients, which are also natural. Now I'm gonna add 1 lime to this glass of juice. So my lime is already cut. I'm gonna strain it to eliminate the seeds, and I'm gonna squeeze it and juice it, then add it to the cup. Limes are good and can be used in a variety of juices and mixtures. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is another natural ingredient. Adding here to my carrot cucumber zing. I would add some ginger, but I am out of ginger. But ginger is also another great ingredient to add to this. You do not have to use honey, but you can. It can be drunk as is without sugar or honey, but as I said, honey is natural and is great.